Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about dishwashers. As we all know, dishwashers are a vital part of our kitchen and most homes have them. One of the most common issues is that dishwashers display error codes. One of the quick, easiest things that you can do is pull that error code from the front of the dishwasher if it has a display and look it up online. Obviously, some issues may be something simple as cleaning out the filter. Some issues may be where you need a professional to come out and take a look at the machine. Dishwashers are prone to have issues with the drain line. One of the biggest things that you need to check is underneath the sink that you have a high loop. High loop is critical with a dishwasher because if you do not have one, the water can go back into the machine and you would be washing with dirty water. Number 3 would be checking your water inlet valve. We have seen numerous occasions where customers are having issues where the water pressure or water is not coming into the machine correctly. With that said, one of the common fixes is checking the water line underneath the sink to make sure it's not kinked, and also check the valve as well. So another common problem with dishwashers we have is that our drain line gets clogged. Typically with that, you'll want to just check to make sure your garbage disposal is clean and clear of all debris. Also just check that drain line underneath the sink to make sure it's clean and clear. One other thing that it could be is your drain pump. Drain pumps do go out on dishwashers, and with that you'll probably want a professional to come out and take a look at it and give you a quote. So now we're going to look at how a dishwasher actually functions. Opening the dishwasher, you'll see 2 spray arms in this machine. The spray arms will actually cascade water throughout the machine with your detergent to clean and scrub pots, pans, cups, things like that. Opening the dishwasher, you'll see here at the bottom of the tub, there is a filter. Opening this filter is pretty simple. Grabbing the handle and turning it clockwise will allow you to get the actual filter out. As we can see here on this one's pretty clean, so we're good with that. If this filter is dirty, you can simply just run it under the water, clean it out. Just hot soapy water will get this back to normal and you'll be good to go. Having this clean is very vital because if this is not clean, that dirty filter can cause your dishes to still be dirty. Food debris gets caught in this and you're gonna have a smelly dishwasher as well. One other common thing that we see is that the actual dispenser for your soap can get stuck shut. Obviously, if you notice that your dishes are still dirty, lasagna, things like that, and this is still shut, we know that that's actually an issue. One other thing that I like to bring up on this is that if you notice that your hot water to your sink is cold still or it takes a long time to warm up, it's best to actually run the faucet before you start your dishwasher because it's vital to this dishwasher. It helps sanitize and get that debris off your dishes. So I would say run the hot water for about a minute or 2 at the faucet, and then you should be good to go.